In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the CS2 error code 126. Now the first step is you want to head over to Google and make sure you download DirectX as well as Visual C++. So just select the first one on each from the Microsoft. In here you're just going to press download on this one, on the DirectX, and on the Visual C++. You want to scroll down and you want to download the 86 and the 64. Don't worry, it's just an installer and it's from Microsoft. So you're just going to click both of these and on this one and you're going to install it. Once you've done that, you want to restart your PC and then you can head over to Steam. Open up Steam and go to Properties. Go to Install Files and verify integrity of game files. Once you've done that, press Browse. Go into Game, Bin, Windows 64 or Windows 32 if you have that one. Find CS2.exe, Properties, Compatibility, activate these two, press Apply and OK, and then try and launch the game. Now it should hopefully be fixed, but if it's still not fixed, you can try and run in compatibility mode and choose Windows 8, and you can also try Windows 7 after that. So just apply and OK and then try and launch it. Now it works for me without this, so I'm just going to do this. But that's basically it, guys. You want to make sure that you download the DirectX and the Visual C++, and you verify your game file as well as you launch this with the two check marks that I showed you. If for some reason after all of this it's still not working, you can try and take the latest Windows update and then try and reinstall Counter-Strike here, and then it should also hopefully work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you remember to restart your PC after you download those things, and then it should work, guys. Now please leave a like and subscribe if it helped you, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.